Everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards Ripping 2022 Topps Chrome Update Baseball Hobby 6-box break number 40. Pick your team. We have Anton R. Padres, Bon J. Mariners, Chad B. Brewers, Dave K. Cubs, Doug Z. Royals, Gary A. Rangers, A's Nationals, Jack M. Marlins, Jacob J. Giants, Jaime R. D-backs Red Sox Tigers, Jennifer V. Guardians, Jesse S. Phillies, Joseph S. Yankees, Josh S. Mets, Joshua B. Braves Orioles, Judd V. Dodgers Twins, White Sox, Nathan H. Pirates, Richard S. Rockies, Robert L. Reds, Samuel S. Blue Jays, Steve M. Rays, Thomas V. Astros, U2C Cardinals, and Zach L. Angels. All right, here we go. So we're down to just the Blue Jays left in our first Bowman Inception. Brewers left in number 34. 2 spots left for the day. Blue Jays in number 33. Brewers in number 34. Cunha and Miranda. Arias debut, purple. Ricky and Suzuki, purple rookie debut. That's easy to say. All right. Torque generation now, and Gore, purple rookie. Matt Brash debut, purple. Nolan Arenado, all-star. Nice. That is rookie debut. Aqua Refractor, Padres. CJ Abrams. That'll be numbered to 250. And Felix Bautista. There's Torque debut, Christy Mathewson and Marisnik. Toe and Elder. Bichette, Romero. Helio Ramos and Joe Dunham. After this break, assuming the Bowman Inception are both filled up at that point, we'll just roll right into those. Otani and Gonsolin. Nick Plummer. Again, if you're watching over on the LSC main channel on YouTube, there's Mike Trout, die cut greats, and J-Rod, rookie purple. Nice pack. But if you're watching on the LSC main channel on YouTube, the chat isn't working, so I don't see your chat when I drop links, or when Sam's dropped links. They haven't been going through over there. Devers and Martinez. Palante. Royce Lewis, Alek Manoah, and Hunter Green, debut purple. Jeremy Pena, rookie. Bob Gibson and Cooper Hummel. Lorenzen. J-Rod, Generation Now, rookie, and Helio Ramos, debut purple. Matt Olson. All right, box number 2. Buxton and Fox. Steven Kwan, rookie. Seiya Suzuki, rookie. Griffey, die cut greats, and Kirby, rookie purple. Bobby Witt Jr., rookie. Soto and Kluber. Austin Nola. Garrett Cole and Craig Kimbrell. Will Smith. Wander rookie debut, Stargell and Sanchez. If Whit doesn't pick things up over the next week, I'm gonna send a trade offer for him.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
not a bad idea.
If somebody used their first or a high second round pick on him, Hunter Green rookie
Yeah.
purple, they're probably panicking right now.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Joey Wentz, he's still gonna produce this year.
Oh yeah,
Starting slow.
yeah. That's not like first 3 games of the year.
Yeah. Soto and Gomes. Nico Goodrum. Stephen Kwan debut. Roger Clemens, die cut greats, and Pache. Jack Sawinski. Alec Thomas, Jordan. Lodolo. Jay Melendez. And nice. Padres. Rookie auto, Mackenzie Gore. Nice from San Diego. I saw him get knocked around a little bit in that spring training game I went to.
Really? That's
So,
really got to see him though.
Yeah. I saw him and Abrams both. Donovan Marte. O'Neill Cruz debut. Joe Morgan. Pepio. Vlad and Kirby debut. Montero. All right. Just the Brewer spot left in the last break of the day. That's all we have left to fill. Judge and Marte. Royce Lewis debut. Bench and Savali. There's Hunter Green, Cole Sands. The Twins are criminally underpriced in this.
Yeah.
And they have
Royce Lewis, Duran,
Joe Ryan,
yeah.
Cole Sands, Jose Miranda.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, they're stacked. Debut, Pena. Kinsey Gore.
God. Yeah, Duran's gonna be like a top tier reliever, I think.
Yeah.
I picked him probably a little bit higher than I should have in fantasy, but I figured.
There's Blue Refractor, Thor to 199 Angels.
Nice.
Go LA, Boz.
But I figure it can't be that bad. Like a guy who could do solid innings with a reliever.
Yeah. There's Ty Cobb, die cut greats, and CJ Abrams, debut purple. Yeah, he was, I think, ranked 76th in
Wow.
Yahoo. Or at least according to our league settings, you know.
Jeez.
So, I mean, that's pretty good
It's
for
not bad at all.
second year. There's Bobby Witt Jr. and Pilkington. Yep, that is Sam in the background. He's top
up,
loading
AJ?
today. Pepio. Miggy and Odorizzi. There's J-Rod debut. Miranda and Donovan. Rookie purple. Suzuki debut. Nolan Ryan, die cut greats. O'Neill Cruz debut, purple. Abrams rookie. Jeremy Pena, generation now, and Alec Thomas, rookie purple. What's up, Moxter?
Hey, what's up, Tim?
J-Rod, rookie, and Winder. Can you leave work? Yeah, go for it, Adam. Wait, you're not in the middle of like, you're not a surgeon, right? Like you're not. If you're in the middle of surgery, no. Otherwise, probably. There's Bobby Witt Jr. debut purple. Pinto and Seager. Said you had the better pull out of Transcendent for him.
Otani over Acuna. Let's
Yeah.
go, dude. Told a lot of Otanis. I mean, obviously there's a lot of Otani in there,
Yeah.
but still.
Cruz
Okay.
and Williams. Are submarines important? Yeah, but don't they have like, do they have like an autopilot thing on those? It depends. It depends on what you're doing on the submarine, probably, right? Bobby Witt Jr. debut, Contreras and Pinto. Ethan Roberts. Jimmy Fox and Ramos. Brandon Marsh. Oh yeah, you probably should then. There's Vlad and Paredes. I took off Friday, so yeah, I'm nobody to judge. Somebody enjoying a little leisure time.
Can't even say.
Jeremy Pena rookie. Castillo. It's Matt Brash rookie debut. Aqua refractor to 250. Mariners.
Nice. Good rookie numbered stuff. A little bit of a color match, that Brash.
Yeah. It's Eddie Murray. Seiya Suzuki rookie purple. Sodor. J-Rod rookie. Clevenger. Yeah. It's Jacob Stallings.
Yeah,
Yeah,
if
it's
you were
just-
here doing breaks, I was gonna be like, come in and do one. Like I thought you were gonna be here doing stuff, and I would have just been like, you could just come and do one.
Yeah, no. So the thing is, I did on the fly personals on Wednesday, and it was super slow.
Mhm.
And like I don't want to come in and have that happen again, you know.
Yeah, fair.
I mean, it was Transcendent. Everybody watches Transcendent.
It's also
Spot fill.
fair, yeah.
And this workspace is not set up for Transcendent
No,
by any
no,
means.
no.
This workspace, even Eminence might be a little tight.
Yeah,
Torque, Luplow.
yeah. Eminence would be a little tough.
What's that?
Eminence would be a little tough.
Yeah. It's Hunter Green and Sanchez. Verlander, Bobby Witt Jr. rookie purple. Lodolo rookie purple. Jeremy Pena debut. Thomas. J-Rod rookie debut. Trevino. Yeah, oh, I hear you. Bichette. I think you said you opened some with.
I opened one case of Bowman Transcendent on New Year's Eve of 2022 going into 23 when Bowman Transcendent came out. So I did one case of that, but yeah, that was my first like solo like shift doing Transcendent. Dude, I was stressed. I was stressed that entire day. I mean, I was also moving after, so that didn't help. But I was like stressing out about all the randoms, making sure everything was good.
Kirby debut.
Oh god.
Josh Lowe. Yeah, next time, like I'll have a bigger workspace next time Transcendent
Yeah.
rolls around.
Yeah.
Willie Mays die cut greats and Miranda.
Well, say you're here doing like on the flies and personals on like a Friday,
Mhm.
and it's me, and I have like 8
Interesting.
cases. Like, I'll be like, we'll just switch.
Yeah.
I could do some on the flies or personals. You come in, break a case or two, and
Yeah.
there you go. Win-win.
Yep. There's O'Neill Cruz, rookie, and Suzuki.
Yes, I pulled Jackie and Bowman. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that was freaking cool.
Torque, Chase Silseth.
Which actually I was really happy about too, because like Forrest let me do one.
Mhm.
So I was like, I would have felt bad if I came in and like pulled like a Ruth or like something super crazy that Forrest had never
I know.
pulled, but he pulled the Jackie out of Diamond Icon. So I was like, oh, he's already pulled one, and he pulled another one. So I was like,
Yeah.
oh, there we go, worked out.
That's awesome.
Now I could say I pulled a Jackie. So boom.
Tom Seaver. I haven't pulled a Jackie or a Babe. Or a Cobb.
Or Cobb.
No.
Yeah, what's the biggest cut you've pulled? Would you say?
Man, I'm trying to think. I think I pulled Gehrig.
That's cool.
I pulled Mantle.
Yeah, yeah.
From I think Flawless.
That's sick.
Okay, here's the coolest cut auto I've ever pulled. It wasn't baseball. It was 2 of the 4 horsemen from
Really?
the 1920s Notre Dame backfield. It was
That's
like a dual
cool.
cut auto book
That's
out of
sick.
17 certified cuts.
That's so sick.
Kenzie Gore, rookie purple. That was the coolest one I've ever pulled.
That's sweet.
I was so mad. Brad was sitting, like, I was top loading for Brad one night. He was doing Transcendent that night. He was doing Bowman Transcendent. And I had just done the breaks, like, the night before.
Mm-hmm.
And he pulled a John Wayne cut auto.
Oh man.
And that's like Jackie
That's like
Robinson,
your guy,
die cut
yeah.
grades. Yeah. Like, I'm a John Wayne collector. You know, like I have
right.
John Wayne stuff all over
All
the
over
house.
this place, right?
Eric Fetty. Arn Anderson cut auto? No, I've never pulled an Arn auto. J-Rod rookie purple. I did pull a Randy Savage and Miss Elizabeth dual auto one
That's
time.
sweet.
There's
That's sweet.
Royals auto, Salvador Perez.
Nice.
Go KC, nice salvi. I saw somebody else's auto earlier that looked similar to his. Jake Walsh. Yeah, no, different 4 horsemen. The OG 4 horsemen. Cortez and Romero. Aaron Duran. Alec Thomas, Mel Ott. Severino. Kinsey Gore and Cooper Hummel. Nick Lodolo debut. And last box. Up after this, we have Bowman Inception. First one is sold out. Second one just has the Brewers left. Could you drop a link for 34, please?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Brewers spot is on sale.
Yeah. $20 off. Not bad.
Yeah. Probably about as low as you're going to see it on our website. J-Rod debut. Lodolo. Gibson, Lucius Fox. Ethan Roberts. CJ Abrams. Kirby, rookie purple. Brandon Marsh debut. Alcantara, Estrada. Joe Perez, rookie blue. That is to 199, and Rowdy Tellez. Greg Maddox and Kimbrell. Stephen Kwan, rookie purple. Jeremy Pena, Generation Now, and Sanchez. Javier Baez. I would imagine the sorters just throw it in with one of them. Austin Ryan, Kluber.
Yeah.
With it, I mean, it's less than $1 card probably. So
Unless it's like numbered. Really.
Kaline and Gomes. Francisco Morales. Bryson Stott and Pache. Matt Chapman. There's Torque, rookie debut. Pujols and Hunter Green, rookie purple. Stephen Kwan, rookie. Stroman.
Put it in 30 pieces and split it up.
Owen Miller.
Yeah, we got Dylan out there with an X-Acto knife and a protractor.
Cabrera. That'd be a little tough.
Yeah.
Bobby Witt, Junior Generation Now, and Trevor Story.
Every single card. Every single Jeff Gibson having to do that.
Pujols and Arias, rookie purple. All right, let's do a quick recap. Thank you. We had Mariners, rookie Aqua, Matt Brash, and Padres, rookie debut. Sorry, these were both debut. Aqua to 250. That's CJ Abrams. Angels, blue refractor to 199. Noah Syndergaard. Astros, rookie blue refractor to 199. Joe Perez. Royals, auto, Salvador Perez. And Padres, rookie auto, Mackenzie Gore. All right, that'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. We have Bowman Inception coming up.